Bonbons, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bonnsbeauty. So today we're going to be doing a new makeup look, which is recreating the Bride of Chucky. So this is Tiffany from Chucky. A new movie just recently came out. I'm not sure if it's good or not, didn't watch it yet, but I wanted to do something more scarier because I'm always doing cute makeup looks. So let's see how it goes. If you want to see this look, just continue watching. Okay, so for this makeup look, it looks like Tiffany has very skinny eyebrows and purple eyeshadow with some gray or green contacts with a dark lipstick, a choker, and she has blonde hair and a bride's dress. I don't have a bride's dress, but I have a white dress. And then she also has a tattoo on her, on this side, but I'm going to do it on this side. Yeah. I don't know yet. We'll see. But it looks like a heart with Chucky's name over top. Okay, so I have no makeup on. I recently just washed it really quick. The first thing that we're going to do is make my eyebrows disappear. Since she does have really skinny eyebrows and I don't, I'm going to try and make mine more non-visible. I've only done it once with my friend Nicole, but she actually had the eyebrow product. But I'm going to actually use this glue stick. Okay, and I'm going to glue my eyebrows down. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the glue on my eyebrows in one sweeping motion. It looked like it worked. You can't really see it, but I'll zoom in for you. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so I'll let that dry a little bit. I'm gonna put some powder over top of this. So I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder. This is 115 translucent medium. This is super old. I haven't used this in forever, as you could tell. Look, this is gross looking. I'm not sure if makeup expires, but if it does, let me know so I can throw this out. But so far, I don't need to. Just putting the translucent powder over top of the glue so it can absorb the moisture. Whoa. Whoa. I swear my makeup looks so ridiculous. Okay, and now I'm gonna put some concealer over top. So I'm gonna be putting on the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. This is their concealer. I'm just gonna put it over top. I'm gonna be using the Joe Fresh wedges and round sponges. Use this, and I'm gonna just dab that in. I'm gonna pat that on to set the concealer. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty. This is this Prose Filler Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade 290. So I'm using this foundation because it's one of my lightest foundations. It has a full coverage, so it can cover my eyebrows a little bit more. So I'm not going to be using the CoverGirl Loose Finishing Powder. I'm actually going to switch it up to the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is the shade Light Medium. You can sort of see some of my eyebrows. This one you can't really see, but this one you can see. So maybe I have to do more layers of glue next time for the front side here. But not bad. I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to go ahead and do her eyebrows, which is super skinny. Okay, but this is a trick. I'm just going to use a regular eyebrow brush first and then go in with my black. I'm making a skinny line first with a regular small eyebrow pencil. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so that's the outline, but I think I'm gonna not bring it in so much. Okay. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner, and this is just the shade Black. And I'm gonna go over that outline, and I'm just gonna go over the outline with this to make it more defined, more skinnier. Not bad, but still scary. So those are my eyebrows. Okay, these are my eyebrows. Don't judge, they're not even. For the contacts, I'm actually going to be using these kinds. Instead of a green color, I want it to look more spookier. I'm actually going to be using this. This is from Beauty Eye Boutique. You can use my 10% off Bonnsbeauty code. This is Fresh Tone, and this is in the shade or the color Pony Gray. I'm not going to be putting this on camera, so I'll be right back. So this is what Pony Gray looks like up close. Now that we have the contacts on, I'm going to be putting on the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is purple, so I am going to be using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and this is in the Boss Bling. I'm only going to be using 2 eyeshadows from this palette. I'm only going to be using Mystic and Berry Treasure. I'm going to use Mystic first, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelid here. And for the, so now I'm going to get Berry Treasure, and I'm just going to tap that on the outer area here. I'm going to go back to Mystic and put that underneath. I'm going to clean the fallout with the same concealer I used on the eyebrows. And I'm just going to clean up underneath. For the eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner, and this is in the shade, I guess, black. For the eyelashes, I'm going to be putting on the Huda Beauty Jade #13, and this is the Fox Mink eyelashes. And I'm going to put this on off camera again. Now that I have these eyelashes on, I already went ahead and did my bronzer and my highlighting, and I also added some mascara to the bottom of my eyelashes. But now we're gonna go ahead and do the lips. For my lip color, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade SMLC 21 Transylvania. This is my favorite. So this is my favorite dark purple lipstick. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. Alright, so now to finish the completion. So just with a liquid eyeliner, I'm just gonna put the Monroe right here. I'm not sure if this is the right spot, but so far so good. Okay, and now I'm gonna create the heart. So I just looked up Chucky's Bride's tattoo, and this is what came up. So it's practically just a heart with a sword and blood dripping and then Chucky over top of it. So for the heart, I'm just going to be using the Remedial Ink Me. This is the eye and body liner. I'm just going to wing just a heart here. Alright, so not bad of a tattoo, right? But this will do. I'm going to be putting on this black choker now. And then alright, and now, so the wig. I forgot what kind of wig this is, so I'll put the link in the description down below and I'll tell you where it's from. Okay, I don't even know how to put on a wig, so don't judge me on that part. this wig. Okay, there's some clips here. I'm not sure what the clips are supposed to do, but I put that there. And then there's like another clip, like a hair clip that goes underneath. And wow! I really hope this turns out well. Bam! Look how hot am I. My name's Tiffany. Just kidding. Alright, so this is the complete look that I've come up with. All I did was wore a white dress and paired it with a leather jacket. This is the wig. Look how hot I am. Alright guys, so this is the completed look that I've come up with. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this look, go ahead and like that like button. If you haven't subscribed to both my channels, Bonnsbeauty and Bonnsvlog, go ahead and subscribe to those as well. I will put the link down below in the description. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Have a great day, guys. Bye!